Namaste and welcome back. Today we are going to address some common myths and misconceptions surrounding menopause that needs to be debunked. Menopause is a natural phase in women's life and it's important to have accurate information to navigate through this. Menopause often comes with its fair share of misunderstandings and misinformation. It still remains the most taboo subject or the least talked about as far as the women health is concerned. Let's shed some light on some of the most prevalent myths and help you separate fact from friction. Myth number one: menopause is a disease or something abnormal. The truth is, menopause is completely natural biological process that every woman on this planet will undergo as she reaches the end of her reproductive years. It is normal and inevitable part of life. Myth number two: menopause happens overnight. No. In reality, menopause is a gradual process that can last up to several years, in some cases, up to 10 to 12 years. It starts with perimenopause, the transition phase marked by irregular periods and hormonal fluctuations, and culminates in menopause, which is officially diagnosed when a woman has not had a menstrual period for 12 consecutive months. Myth number three: menopause means end of women's vitality or beauty. Absolutely not. While it's true that menopause brings about changes in hormone levels, leading to physical and emotional shift, it does not diminish a woman's vitality or beauty. In fact, many women find this phase to be the time of empowerment and self discovery. Myth number four: HRT or hormone replacement therapy is the only solution for menopause. While HRT can be beneficial for some women, it's not the only treatment option available. Lifestyle changes such as adopting a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and alternate therapies like acupuncture or herbal supplements. In fact, Ayurveda can provide an absolute safer and better option to elevate menopause symptoms. Myth number five: menopause means end of a woman's sex life. This is far from true. While menopause can bring about changes in sexual desire and function, it doesn't mean the end of intimacy. Open communication with your partner, exploring different ways to enhance pleasure, and seeking medical advice if necessary can help maintain a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Myth number six: menopause only affects women. Well, this is a misconception. While menopause is a phenomena specific to women, it can also have an impact on their partners and families, workplace, and society. It's important for loved ones to understand and support women during this phase of their lives. By debunking these myths, we hope to create a more informed and supportive environment for women going through menopause. We are dedicated to providing accurate information and holistic support to help women embrace this transformative phase with confidence and vitality. Thank you for joining us today as we debunked some common myths about menopause. Remember, knowledge is power, and by dispelling these misconceptions, we can empower women to navigate menopause with grace and joy. Take care.